Hello everyone, welcome to Aperture Diary. Today I am here to show you some new trick how you can add some text inside any object. So let me show you. So today we will turn this banana to this banana. This won't be a very long video, so let me start. So first you need to choose one picture like that, one banana picture like that. Then you just need to edit banana inside it. Just go to text from here, then click here, BANAN. Make sure it should be black. Let me change the color black. Okay, now select this and resize it like that. Okay, now you just need to change this layer to smart object. So how we can do that? Just simply right click over there, then go to convert to smart object. It will convert it to smart object. Now you need to wrap this text. So how you can do that? Just select this layer, then Control T, then after that right click over here, then wrap. Using wrap you can easily resize it. Let me show you. Make sure the alignment are correct here. You have to make sure the alignment, especially the corner one. Let me zoom in little bit. Looks like is good. Yeah, it's good now. Now you just need to select this layer, then it will show like that. Now press Ctrl from your keyboard and select here. You can see there is a rectangle icon populate. So just click here. It will select the text. Then turn off the visibility and select this layer and press this icon. It will show like that. Now as it's a mask, you can simply paint. So what I said earlier, the word portion means the selected one, black is not selected. So if you see this mask, so how can you see that mask? You can press Alt and select that mask, it will show. So only the banana text is getting selected, the rest of the part is not getting selected. So how you can bring that rest of the part? So let me show you. You just need to select the mask. From here you need to choose a brush. Make sure its brush size is like that, the hardness should be full, and then simply paint with the white color. So that way you can easily transform any fruits, any spices to this kind of graphical design. So let me show you another example. That is the another one I made it earlier. So that is the another one is carrot. So if you want to put this kind of shadow, and this kind of gradient, so how you can do that? So just simply you need to create a layer, choose gradient from here and simply draw like that. This color is populating because I have already choose this color. So you can change it as per your need. So in that way you can change any color. So let me put this color and for this section I will choose little bit of, yeah, click. Now just bring down this to here. And how you can create a shadow? Again create a layer, then choose a soft round brush here. So that is the grounded portion. Let me, yeah, that is, then click one time here. It's a yellow color, so let me change it. Yeah, you just need to now Control T, press shift from your keyboard, then simply drag. Now you can place over here and then place it like that. You can easily change your opacity as per the requirement. So that way you can change any fruits to this kind of, any fruits or any leaves or any so I have a example of chili also, so you can change it like that. So that's all for today. Lots of my friends are watching my video but they did not subscribe yet. So if you like my content, my video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the latest update regarding this channel. So I will back with my new video. Till then, keep learning, keep editing.